Namaste everyone, myself Ashish, and I'm really thankful for Mayura Yoga, Mr. David and Miss Leticia, who give me the chance to share the sun salutation practice with you all. And today we will practice the sun salutation in two ways. One is the classical sun salutation, and another is the modern sun salutation. There are very minor difference in between that. Okay, so we'll discuss about that in the practice. As we know, the sun salutation is a complete practice in ourself. If we practice the sun salutation regularly, it works in our body, mind, and breathing together. As asana helps to stretch your body, your organs, your joints to loosen them, so it gives you more flexibility. Breathing helps you in the pranayama practice, as well as there are some mantras also, so which helps you to lead towards to the meditation practice. So as we know, the sun is the source of energy for everyone. Sun gives the energy to everything in this universe, like the earth, all universe, like the flowers, food, people, human being get the energy from the sun. So it helps us, and through the practice of the sun salutation, we can balance our both the energy cycles, like the Ida and Pingala, both can be balanced through the sun salutation practice. So I will just discuss the first round with the classical sun salutation. Then secondly, we will do the modern sun salutation. Okay, let's move to the mat. Firstly, we stand in the Samasthiti position. As we know, Samasthiti is the base position for everyone. Okay, the base position of all the standing positions. So grounding your feet evenly on the floor, your knees, thighs, activating your thighs there. Okay, then trying to slightly turn your sitting bones down and your pelvic bone moves up, so you can be more centered. Lift your chest, roll the shoulders back, and drop your rolled shoulders downwards. Slightly tuck your chin in. This is your Samasthiti position. Then from here, firstly, normalize your breath. Normal breathing, softly inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale, join your palms in front of the chest. The first position is called Pranamasana, prayer pose. With inhalation, we raise the arms up, fully stretched up, and then slightly arch back. Trying to keep your legs active, your thighs active, your core active, chest expanding, pull the arms back. Make sure you're not holding your breath. Keep breathing here. Then exhale, slowly bend forward, palms comes next to your feet, and fold forward. Padhastasana, third position. Then inhale, move your right leg back, your knee on the floor, trying to square your hips, and then slowly push your pelvic down, open your chest. This is called the Ashwa Sanchalanasana position, the equestrian pose, horse riding position also. If you are not comfortable here, you can rest your fingertips on the floor so you can create more space between your thigh and your chest. So you can breathe here properly, and you can create a gentle arch so you can find a bit more opening of your pelvic region. Retain the breath from here and bring the left leg back and your feet together. This position called Santolanasana, plank pose. So your knees active, your thighs active. Do not drop your pelvis down. Make sure, usually people just find the difficulty here, so it fall down. So trying to maintain it Exhale, your knee, chest, chin goes together down to the floor. Roll the shoulders back, palms next to the chest. Ashtanga-Namaskar. Free toes back, press the palms, move your chest forward and roll the shoulders back. Keep your feet heel together, knees, thighs active, buttocks active, chest expand, and shoulders roll back and drop down. Slightly look up. This position called Bhujangasana. Tuck your toes in, press the palms, active your legs, exhale, move your hips back. Push the hips, lengthen your spine here. This position called Parvatasana, mountain pose. Then from here, inhale, bring the right foot forward between your hands, left knee on the floor, square your hip, pushing your pelvic. You can rest your fingertips, chest open and look up. Ashwa-Sanchalanasana, horse riding position. Exhale, bring the left foot forward, your feet together, bending forward completely. If people have the back pain, back issues, so they can bend the knees and just look forward halfway. They no need to bend forward completely. Okay? If you're fine, then you can bend forward completely. Padhastasana, palms to feet pose. Exhale, inhale, raise your both arms up. Fully extend yourself. Inhale and arch back. Hasta Uttanasana, arms raised pose. Then exhale, join your palms in front of your chest. Pranamasana. This is called prayer pose. So this is the half round of the Sun-Salutation. Okay, the complete round will be happen when you do it from both sides equally, 12 and 12. It's called 24 because there are 24 phases in the Sun-Salutations. So we have to complete it from the left side as well. So let's complete it. So Samasthiti position, inhale. Exhale, join your palms, Pranamasana, prayer pose. Inhale, raise your arms up, arch back, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, fold forward, palms next to the feet, fold forward, exhale, Padhastasana. Left leg back, longer, your knee on the floor, square hips, push the pelvic down, inhale, head up. Ashwa-Sanchalanasana, horse riding pose. Right leg back, hold your breath. Retain that breath in the plank position, Santolanasana. Exhale, your knee, chest and chin goes together down. Roll the shoulders back, Ashtanga-Namaskar. Free your toes back, press the palms, lift your chest, roll the shoulders back. Elbows close to the ribs, chest expand, feet together. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Tuck your toes in. Exhale, push the hips back to the Parvatasana, mountain pose. Bring your left foot forward between the palms, right knee on the floor. Push the pelvic, chest open, inhale, Ashwa-Sanchalanasana. Roll the shoulders. Bring the right foot forward, your feet together, bend forward, exhale, Padhastasana. Inhale, raise your arms up, arch back, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, join your palms to Pranamasana. Inhale, Samasthiti position. So this was the classical Sun-Salutation, the traditional Sun-Salutation practice. Now the modern Sun-Salutation practice I will show you. Okay, there is a minor change. You can just find here. Okay, Samasthiti position. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, join your palms, Pranamasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Padhastasana. Inhale, right leg back, Ashwa-Sanchalanasana. Exhale, left leg back to Parvatasana. Inhale and exhale completely, Ashtanga-Namaskar. Free the toes back, inhale, Bhujangasana. Tuck your toes in, exhale, move to Parvatasana. Right leg forward between the palms, inhale, Ashwa-Sanchalanasana. Left leg forward, your feet together. Fold forward, exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale, raise your arms up, arch back, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale to Pranamasana. Let's completing the round. Inhale, Samasthiti. Exhale, Pranamasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale to Padahastasana. Left leg back. Inhale, Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Exhale, right leg back to the Parvatasana. Hold your breath. Outer retention, Ashtanga Namaskarasana. Inhale to Bhujangasana. Tuck your toes in. Exhale, move back to the Parvatasana. Left leg forward between the palms. Inhale, Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Right leg forward, your feet together. Exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale, raise your arms up, arch back, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, join your palms to Pranamasana. Samasthiti position. Okay, hope you find the difference and it's clear to you. Now the last round, third round. Okay, Samasthiti position. Inhale. Exhale, join your palms, Pranamasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Padahastasana. Right leg back. Inhale, Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Hold your breath, Ashtanga Namaskarasana. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Right leg forward, inhale, Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Left leg forward, exhale, fold forward, Padahastasana. Raise your arms up, inhale, arch back, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale to Pranamasana. Inhale, Samasthiti. This is the last and final attempt to complete the third round. Exhale, join your palms, Pranamasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Padahastasana. Left leg back, inhale, Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Right leg back, hold your breath to the planks. Exhale to the Parvatasana. Hold your breath to Ashtanga Namaskarasana. Inhale, go to the Bhujangasana. Exhale, go to the Parvatasana. Left leg forward, inhale, Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Right foot forward, exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale, raise your arms up, arch back, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale to Pranamasana. Then after this, release your arms, come back to Samasthiti position. You can stand with separate feet apart. Okay, couple of breaths you can relax here because this is a dynamic practice, and you can release here after taking couple of breaths. So you have to be completely relaxed, loosen yourself. You can separate your feet, your hands, even you can hold your hands at the back and gently close your eyes. If you find this difficulty, you can just lie down on your mat as well and relax in the shavasana for a couple of breaths, so you can completely relax there, and then from there you can sit in the Vajrasana position or Sukhasana position. So thank you for watching this. Namaste.